Now, your first alert forecast from meteorologist Taban Sharifi.
And looking at those current conditions at the fire right now in Beaumont, the Rabbit Fire, again, 140 acres, 20% contained. That temperature there right now is sitting in the triple digits, 100 degrees. Winds not helping the situation either. We're looking at gusts to 20 miles per hour, consistent winds to 13 miles per hour, and conditions are dry. You're looking at dew points in the 40s. So not only are we looking at dry conditions as of now, we are also talking about excessive heat sticking around today through Saturday. An excessive heat warning, all areas highlighted in pink throughout the valley floor. Looking at temperatures reaching up to 120 degrees. Friday expected to be the hottest day that we are tracking. So heat illness is going to be possible throughout this time. And if you're hoping to maybe escape the desert and head farther to the west and escape the heat, well, there is still a heat advisory heading in that direction as well. Temperatures not as hot, but still looking up to 120 degrees. The best bet is to escape closer to the coast. You'll notice the heat advisory leaving out coastal areas because the cooler waters will help regulate those temperatures a little bit more. Now, satellite and radar, you're seeing dry conditions all across California, and we can thank a ridge of high pressure for that. This ridge of high pressure has been sticking around, and it is what's bringing that heat wave to us. That air sinking and compressing and warming up those temperatures at the surface hotter as we head into Friday. Looking at the peak of the heat as we move into Friday afternoon, temperatures reaching to 120 degrees. That's being possible, and still feeling the heat even as we head into Saturday. That excessive heat warning again expiring 9 o'clock in the evening. Now, when we're talking about this extreme heat, we also bring record temperatures to the table. Palm Springs, as we head into tomorrow, is seeing a forecast of 120 degrees. That record for the day, 122. So getting very, very close to that record. Just putting in perspective how hot it actually is out there for this time of year, because the average is also just 107. That average temperature actually has been going down throughout this month. And thermal looks like we are going to tie that record as we head into tomorrow. I have your forecast at 118 degrees. So how to stay cool and safe during this heat out there? Well, stay in air conditioning if you can and reduce the time that you're spending in the sun. Drink lots of water, stay hydrated, stay away from any caffeine or alcohol because that does dehydrate your body. And if you are spending any time outside, take frequent breaks in the shade and always check on the elderly and your kids as well. And if you're running any errands, never leave kids or pets unattended inside of a vehicle. That temperature can rise drastically in the matter of minutes. Already, we're seeing those temperatures still hot out there, not feeling much relief yet. 118 degrees currently in Palm Springs. Dew points are looking drier here. We were seeing a little bit more of that moisture this morning. Those winds had shifted. That's allowed our dew points to go a little bit lower. So that's feeling better, even though those temperatures are still hot. A live look right now out of your El Paseo cam. Those temperatures not even feeling relief as we head into the 10 o'clock hour. We will still be in the triple digits. Your Comfort Air 7-day forecast, even as we head into Sunday and that excessive heat warning expires, temperatures still looking at 115 degrees and continuing throughout the week. We'll be at 108 by Wednesday, and that's when we'll finally see those temperatures reaching closer to seasonal. Karen?
Looking forward to that. That is for sure. A little cool down in the future.